In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a disclaimer to your HubSpot emails. Adding a disclaimer is an important step to ensure your communications are both professional and informative, especially when dealing with sensitive information or legal requirements. Let's walk through this process step by step, so you can easily incorporate disclaimers into your emails to offer clarity and protection for both your business and your recipients. First, you'll need to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, head over to the marketing section. You can find this by looking at the navigation bar at the top of your dashboard. HubSpot's interface is intuitive, so locating the marketing tab should be straightforward. Clicking on this will open up a range of marketing-related tools and features available to you. Now that you're in the marketing section, the next step is to click on the email section. This area is specifically dedicated to creating, editing, and managing your email communications. It's your primary hub for maintaining your email marketing efforts, and it's where you'll be adding your disclaimer. After you've clicked into the email section, you'll see a list of your existing email campaigns. From here, you should select the specific email where you want to add the disclaimer. If you haven't yet created your email, you can start a new one here, but for today's walkthrough, we'll focus on modifying an existing email. Once you've opened the email, you're ready to insert your disclaimer. To do this, you'll need to drag a text box down to the bottom of your email. This is where your disclaimer will go. Adding it at the bottom is standard practice, ensuring it's visible and easy to locate, but not distracting from the main content of your email. To drag the text box, simply click and hold on the box, then move your mouse or cursor to bring it to the desired position. Once placed, you can now input your disclaimer text. Be sure your message is clear, concise, and relevant to the context of your email. Disclaimers can vary greatly depending on your industry and purpose, so tailor your text to meet your specific needs and compliance requirements. A tip here is to double-check the wording of your disclaimer, possibly consulting with a legal professional to ensure you meet any necessary regulatory guidelines. Finally, once you're satisfied with the placement and wording of your disclaimer, it's a good idea to preview your email. This helps ensure everything looks as expected and that your disclaimer doesn't interfere with the rest of your content. Once you're happy with how everything looks, you can save your changes. This seamlessly integrates your disclaimer into your email, ready to be sent out to your recipients. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add a disclaimer to your HubSpot emails. Using disclaimers appropriately can provide transparency to your audience and help protect your organization from potential misunderstandings or legal challenges. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.